Hey, tell them in my vlogs.
I like all races.
Yo.
Click after click. Click, bit. She slid. She gon' get it.
Cool ass. What else can I say? Oh, we're going to a car meet. We're going to a car meet. I don't know what kind of car meet it is, so.
Whoa.
I don't really know much about cars, but this food does right here. What do you know about cars?
Better not be no Civics, no fucking Integras, no fucking G35s. G35s fucking suck.
Damn, savage. So, hey, if one of my subscribers has one of those cars, you're not gonna like this guy then.
Hey, you can race me with my car.
What the fuck?
I can't talk shit because I shouldn't talk shit with my car.
Is it on?
It's always good. I just want to know how to back. Like, go close. All right, it's back.
You wanna move it? You can move this.
All right.
Oh yeah, hold on. Check out my outfit. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out.
Damn.
It's just clean or what? That's just clean. What about him?
He's alright. He's.
What about his shoes though? What about his shoes?
I took you out my shoes, bro.
Let's see.
Nobody
Shoes.
got
Is it the shoes? Damn. Now you got the Nikes on over there.
Yo, fool, you look like you're from the 80s, bro. I swear to God.
Damn.
Hey,
Swag.
So fucking,
Hey, 80s one was one of the best sign stuff.
you look like you're from White Man Can't Jump, bro.
That's my favorite movie. Oh shit, that's one of my favorite movies. That's a compliment, bro. That's my favorite movie. That movie's cool.
What's up, bro?
Hey, yo, say what's up, bro?
Yo, what's up?
Hey, it's the guy again. Hey, yo.
Hey, what's
He's
up?
back.
Wearing the same jacket?
Yeah, well, I came with this fool.
The whole squad.
What's up? You're on my vlog.
Vlogging?
Yeah. Yeah. You wanna follow it? I just started, but you wanna follow, you want to follow it. Yeah. He's like, it's trash.
He doesn't want to be in it.
Iced out chain, yeah. Iced out rain, yeah. Iced out chain, yeah. Iced out rain, yeah. Iced out chain, yeah. Iced out rain, yeah. Yeah, she love my diamonds. That bitch wanna get me brain.
Hey, you're in my vlog. You just laugh. Oh, they like the song.
Hey. You know you came to fuck, so why the fuck we wasting time? I got that kind of wood that make a woman lose her mind. I'm young, rich and handsome, baby, I'm one of a kind. Just keep it real with me, baby, it won't cost you a dime. I know you got expensive taste and I don't even mind. Shoot the maggots with the palm.
Yo, say what's up though. Hey. What's it turn out? Yo, all these people are here though. What the fuck? Yo, it's just deep as fuck, bro. Whoa, that nigga. Let's go. We out here though. What's up, guys? We're going to another car meet. I'm with my homies. Let's see how this goes. I don't want to get ran the fuck over. Go ahead. Go ahead, bro. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Hopefully you guys like it.
For a turn?
Hey, what happened to my other homies? Huh? What happened to my other homies though?
I don't know.
What the fuck, bro?
Oh, no, this was like so way behind.
Yo, I'm about to go over there.
Oh, fuck it. Let's catch some of that action for you.
Hey, say what's up. You're on the vlog. Cool ass. Hey, text the homies on.
Oh, that's sick.
Yo, what the fuck? Oh shit. Hey, let's go over there, dog. Let's go over there. the fuck, bro? What the fuck is this big? This is lit. Where's Jose at?
I texted him. Well,
Yo, what the fuck? Bro, it's just crazy, guys. What the fuck? I can't hear shit, man. Who's that? Where that? Where else they at? I don't know. Huh? Hey, we're still missing other foods.
I don't know. All them. His homies. Another
that's right here. Why'd you make a right? You told me to live.
Yo, it's just crazy, guys. What the fuck? Can't hear shit, bro. Oh, hell no, dog. I'm trying to get in there. I'm trying to get in there. That way.
Hey, let's go. They're blocking the exit. Huh? Hey, they're blocking the exit.
Ah, cops came. Yo, this is crazy. Fuck. Look at all these motherfuckers for one car. Yo, what the fuck, bro? What happened? It's fucking crazy out here. What the fuck? Motherfuckers are loud.
Yeah, we're right here. Yeah, park real quick.
Hey, say what's up. You're on the vlog.
What's up, man? What's up? Head smart. Find parking.
For sure. What the fuck? This is fucking loud as fuck. They're here?
Yeah, they're here.
What is it? Imagine you start passing out weed.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, he's giving the list.
I think they're praying, dude. Imagine if
That's the list. I mean, I'm not going there. Hey, bro, go in there. Go get the list.
What is the list, though?
The list that shows you all the locations.
They don't post it online because they have like top followers.
Okay, go get that.
Go get it, bro.
I'm not gonna go.
Miller and
I don't know what the fuck that is. What the fuck? What the shit clean, bro. I guess the cops came or some shit. I can't really hear it, bro. I'm sorry, guys. I can't hear you guys.
Yeah, that's trippy. That's California plates.
I know.
What? The plates. It's a personal car.
Oh, yeah? Where's everybody running that way? Hey, why is everybody going that way?
It's his personal car. They didn't make it as a...
Everyone's hopping in their cars, bro. Everyone's leaving already.
I guess this shit got raided or whatever. That shit was too loud. Like what I'm saying, like there's too many people here. I don't know why. Like, of course it's gonna get raided. That's just too many people. Man, that shit's crazy.
They ain't gonna do shit about that. They can get through.
Yeah, that's crazy, guys. I don't know what the fuck. Hey, yo, what happened though?
What? They blocked it out. We know what happened.
Hey, free my boy though. What the fuck?
Free my boy!
Feel how you feel. Feel how you feel. Feel how you feel.
Alright guys, I guess we're here. We're at a new spot. See if this one is actually legit. Cause I don't know if it is. She's about to get raided. Again. I don't know. We'll see what happens right now.
Who's gonna do it?
Where'd you go?
Whack.
Right.
Nah, he's scared, bro. He's
Oh, he ain't doing shit.
he's scared.
Hey, should I bring the aux for and let that shit clap?
When you gotta improvise. Got a little Hyundai Genesis. Black ass G35.
These are my cars. You guys don't know. These are my cars. Nah, it's been. I'm a poor ass nigga. This car, like,
The truck's gone. The truck's gone. Check it out. Look, this was sticking out the window.
Kill everybody. My ultimate fuck everybody.
Yeah, kill him on gas mileage.
Yeah. Where that for Rosario go though? Alright.
Hey, just make sure his car's still there. What's up? What's up? Who's this? Oh, fucking Integra. That fool can't do shit. The guy that started it all, coming down right here and shit.
I don't know what the fuck's going on, but there's cops everywhere. This guy fucking did donuts. Savage ass nigga. What the fuck?
Did you get on video?
Yours? Nah, I fucking missed it. Your shit was savage though.
This is the same place that came to
Man, your shit was savage.
Rosa, we were like right there.
Yeah, there's a bunch of cops here. I don't know what the fuck, but We're just chilling right now.
It's rated already.
I guess homeboy's gonna go with the truck. See what happens.
Is he gonna go?
I don't know, is he? Nah, they're not gonna go.
Nah, he is.
He's like scoping it on.
Oh, look, here he goes.
I think everybody's bouncing, bro. Yeah, everybody's leaving. I don't know what the fuck. Everybody's out.
So my bottom stays redder. No, I'm not on ride, but I'm all up on my cheddar. Just talked to your homie, she said we should be together. Gabby Brand was so insane that I made her my header. If she ever call my phone, you know I gotta jet her. But I like that girl too much, I wish I never met her. I was listening to this song. It go like, I know it hurts sometimes, but you'll get over it. Yeah, you'll find another life to live. Yeah.